Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 1000 Judge Court West here in West River, in the community of Cedar Lee. Great water privileges. Look at this amazing landscaping. Come on, let's take a tour. Welcomed into all hardwood floors on the main level. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Vaulted ceilings, built-in bookshelves. Huge dining room window. Good space for entertaining. Flow through into the kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, overhead cooking vent, lots of cabinet space, right open into the family room. Bay window, very cute place. Come on upstairs, let's take a look. Kids' bedrooms have laminate floors. Hallway bath. Check out these locker room doors. What a good Pinterest find. There's the master suite with vaulted ceilings. Walk-in closet. Ensuite bath. Steam shower. This house is located on a corner lot. Stone paver patio, playground equipment, nice mature trees. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. For more information on this home, visit us at our website at www.kn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. Welcome home.